Hello everyone, today I show you the best exercise flow in yoga. This flow is basic flow in yoga. It's help to increase your flexibility and your mobility, even increase your strength. This exercise is some forward to back flow. Uh, this yoga flow is known as halasana to burpee jump. This is best combination of flexibility and strength as well as mobility. It's help to increase your range of motions and free and mobile. Such a good exercise.